Alright, this is my video bike check. Thought I'd do it because I'm, wanted to. Alright, we'll start from the front. Got some McNeil XLT bars. Got Fly Potentia stem. ODI long neck grips. Worked pretty well. McNeil Blazer 3 forks. Alienation PBR rim, Cowley front hub, KHE Make to Dirt tire. Got a Fly Bikes headset, and I'm gonna hand the camera off to my friend real quick. I'm gonna show you. This is something cool about my bike. Look, I don't have much clearance under the,
Yep, no clearance.
yeah.
He doesn't feel like putting a spacer in.
Yeah, I don't want to put a spacer in. Makes me feel special. Okay. Got the McNeil BB3 frame. Got Odyssey twisted pedals. S&M Toughman sprocket, Shadow chain, Poverty pivotal seat. Let you zoom in on that. Got the McNeil seat post, the special 22mm one. It's pretty gay. Eastern Niner back wheel, some Fly Reuben tread. Need some more. It's kind of dusty. I was doing some sliders. Yeah, there's my bike. I'm gonna hand my camera off to my friend so I can do some tricks.
You done?
Yeah.